Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Black Myth Wukong game input lag problem, and there are several potential solutions that players have found effective. Now the first solution is disable Steam input. So just open up the Steam, click on the Black Myth Wukong game, then just click on the gear icon, then go to your game properties. Now just go to the controller. Now here just select it to the disable Steam input. So once you select it, then launch the game, check problem is fixed or not, and if not, then just select it to the enable Steam input. Once you select it, then launch the game again, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then just select it to the disable Steam input. Now the solution to fix this problem is turn off frame generation. If you are using frame generation, disable it in the graphics setting. This feature can increase input lag for some systems. However, depending on your system performance, turning it off may lower FPS, so balance this with your desired frame rate. Now just try the solution and see this fixes your problem or not. And the next solution to fix this problem is turn off ray tracing. Ray tracing significantly increases latency in the game. Disabling it can not only reduce input lag but also boost performance. So you can just turn off ray tracing, then check problem is fixed or not. Now the next solution to fix this problem is use a wired controller. Wireless controller, especially dual sense, have been shown to cause more input lag compared to wired option. If you are using a wireless controller, switching to a wired one may reduce lag. Now try the solution and see this work for you or not. Now the next solution is NVIDIA low latency mode. For players using NVIDIA GPU, enabling low latency mode in the NVIDIA control panel can help reduce input lag. This option can be found under the Manage 3D settings section of the control panel. Now try the solution if you have the NVIDIA and see this work for you or not. Now the next solution is disable VSync and frame generation. Enabling VSync and frame generation can cause input lag. In certain cases, disabling the setting might help to reduce delay, and see this work for you or not. And I hope guys one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.